Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing Canon cameras, the Canon EOS R6 and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E. We will discuss their features, performance, and help you decide which one is right for you. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's get started. When it comes to image quality, both the Canon EOS R6 and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E deliver exceptional results. The R6 features a new 20-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which offers high resolution and stunning details. On the other hand, the M50 Mark E comes with a 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, providing excellent image quality even in low-light situations. In terms of autofocus capabilities, the Canon EOS R6 takes the lead. It boasts a dual-pixel CMOS AF system that covers approximately 100% of the frame, with an impressive 1,053 autofocus areas. This allows for precise and accurate subject tracking, even when capturing fast-moving subjects. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E also features improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, providing reliable autofocus performance for both stills and videos. If you're into videography, both cameras offer great video capabilities. The Canon EOS R6 supports 4K UHD 2160p video recording, allowing you to capture stunning footage with rich details and vibrant colors. It also provides high-speed continuous shooting options with up to 12 FPS using the mechanical shutter and up to 20 FPS using the electronic shutter. On the other hand, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p for slow-motion videos, making it ideal for creating cinematic content. Now let's talk about the price. The Canon EOS R6 is priced at $2,499, while the Canon EOS M50 Mark E comes at a more affordable price of $899. Keep in mind that the price difference reflects the features, performance, and target audience of each camera. So, consider your budget and requirements when making a decision. And there you have it. We've compared the Canon EOS R6 and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E in terms of image quality, autofocus, video features, and price. Both cameras have their strengths and are great options depending on your photography or videography needs. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.